In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload resume on Upwork. We'll start right from the browser, so nothing is confusing. Open Google and type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website in the results. Make sure you're signed in to your freelancer account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on Upwork, look to the upper right corner and click your profile picture or avatar. From that menu, choose your profile. This takes you to the public page clients see, and it's where you'll add your resume as a portfolio item so it's easy for potential clients to view and download. Scroll to the portfolio section. Here, click the plus icon to add a new portfolio entry. In the project title field, type Resume. Keeping the title simple helps clients recognize what they're opening immediately. You'll see a field for your role as well. This is optional, but if it helps clarify your specialty, like copywriter, UI, UX designer, or data analyst, feel free to add it. Next, add a clear project description. For example, you could write, "Developed and refined a resume specifically designed for freelancing platforms." Expand on that with a sentence or two about your focus, such as highlighting relevant achievements, tools, or industries. Keep it concise, professional, and client-facing. Under Skills and Deliverables, start typing skills that match your expertise and the content of your resume. Things like graphic design or Adobe Photoshop if that fits your work. Adding accurate, specific skills improves search visibility and helps clients quickly understand your strengths. Now it's time to attach the file. In the Add Content area, click the file's icon, then select your resume from your computer. A PDF is usually the safest choice to preserve formatting, but a clean docx can work too if you prefer. Use a professional file name, and if your file is large, give it a moment. Uploading may take some time depending on your connection and the file size. Wait until the progress completes so the attachment is fully saved. When your resume is uploaded, click Next, Preview. Review how everything looks: title, description, skills, and the attached file. If something appears off, you can go back and adjust before moving on. Then click Next. Thumbnail. Choose or crop a thumbnail that makes the item recognizable, like a readable first-page preview or a simple branded image, so it looks polished in your portfolio grid. Finally, click Publish. Your resume is now live in your Upwork portfolio. You can return and edit or update it anytime, especially when you gain new experience or certifications. Keeping this portfolio item current helps clients quickly assess your qualifications and increases your chances of landing work.